Hi friends, now we are here for the third part of the lecture series on pi. In the first part, we have seen two demonstrations. In the first demonstration, I wrote the value of pi up to 100 digits from my memory. So, I could keep 100 digits of pi in my memory, and in the second demonstration I demonstrated that this value can be collected in the memory in blocks of 20 digits. So we can skip any 20 digits and start reproducing the digits from the next block. In the second part, then I discussed about the phonetic code, which is used to convert numbers into text. And now in the third part, we will actually see what is the code for remembering 100 digits of pi. So let us just revise what we have learned in the second part. In the second part, we have seen the phonetic code where letters are used for the digits. What are they? Just let us revise in short. For 1, we use T or D. Actually, it is the sound of those letters which is used. What is meant by this? That is clear again. I will get it clear again. Then for 2, we use the sound of N. For 3, we use the sound of M. For 4, sound of R. For 5, sound of L. For 6, sound of either J, SH or CH. For 7, we use sound of K or G. For 8, we use sound of F or V. For 9, sound of P or B, and for 0, we use sound of S or Z. One example I had given you there, and that was this. This was the text given to you in the last lecture. Beef, fat, rough, fake, lodge. Friends, actually this is my mobile number converted into text. So how its conversion will take place, let us see now. So we have B for 9, so this is 9, F for 8, then again F for 8, then T is for 1, rough. Now you see here, actual letters are GH, but they sound as F, rough. So it is a sound of F. So R sound gives us 4, and here it is F sound. That F sound gives us 8. Fake F gives us 8. K gives us 7. Lodge, here actual spelling is DGE, but the pronunciation is J, lodge. So J sound is there. So actually that will be for 6, and L sound gives us 5. So it is 5, 6. So actually this is my mobile number, and it can be remembered if you just remembered this text. So this conversion can be used to convert any number. Numbers are difficult to remember, so you can remember mobile numbers of your friends, your license number, Aadhaar card number, and all these things. Now let us come to our today's chapter, today's part. Today we are actually going to see the text for 100 digits of pi. I have written here some digits of pi. Actually these are 20 decimal places, means there are 20 digits after decimal place. So totally these are 21 digits, and the text for that I will suggest now. I have taken, actually the base for this text is a book whose title is Secrets of Mental Maths, written by Arthur Benjamin. Actually I have modified that text so that I get the digits in a block of 20. So this is a first block of 20 decimal places, and including these 3, actually these are 21 digits. The text for this is like this: my turtle ban shall me live, pack up my new movie, Raj. See how conversion will take place, and see how interesting is this sentence. We can build up a story so that we can easily remember this text. My turtle ban shall me live, pack up my new movie, Raj. I am making a new movie whose title is Raj, and I am using a turtle in that movie. But turtle is a banned thing, and police comes and they take away that turtle. So now shall me leave now? Shall I stop the work of that movie and pack up all these things? So this sort of movie picture, this sort of story can be constructed, and that makes us this sentence remember very easily. So we can very easily remember this thing by making some story. Now how conversion will take place? My M sound gives us 3, then turtle, T is 1, R is 4, T is 1, L is 5. This decimal place we know, after 3 when the value of pi we get a decimal place. So there is no code for this decimal place, that we know. Then ban B gives us 9 and N gives us 2, SH sound that gives us 6, L sound gives us 5. Now see here, L is used 2 times, but sound is only once, shall, only one L sound is there, so we get only one L, 1 5. Then again me, M sound gives us 3, L sound gives us 5, V sound, live, V sound gives us 8, P sound gives us 9, K, CK is there, but it is pronounced as K, pack. So K sound is there, so we get 7 for that. Up, P sound is there, that gives us 9. Then again my, that gives us 3. Then new, here W can be used freely in this code, because in our phonetic code here W is not used. You can use it freely while converting numbers to text. So only one sound N, that will be giving us 2. Then movie 3, 8, and Raj, R gives us 4, and J gives us 6. So in this way, this sentence will guide you for these 21 digits, or this will give us the value of pi up to 20 decimal places. Now the remaining decimal places and the text for those I will give you one by one. I will give you them in block of 20. The second sentence is no jar. My movie monkey plays in a favorite bucket. This sentence will guide us to the next 20 digits. What will be the conversion? No, that gives us 2, jar, J and R, that is 6, 4, my uses 3, movie 3 and 8, monkey, M sound is there, N sound is there and K sound is there. So that gives us 3, 2, 7, plays P sound and L sound and then S sound is there. So P sound gives us 9, L sound gives us 5 and S sound gives us 0. Then in N sound 2, A can be used freely, F favorite, F and V both gives us 8, so double 8 is there. R sound gives us 4 and T sound will give us 1. Bucket B, it gives us 9. Then CK is K sound, that gives us 7 and 1. So these are next 20 digits. For another block of 20 digits, I will give you another sentence now. The sentence is job my Bobby Michael to sell fan. So beggar be rare. My friend Bobby Michael, he has no job, he is begging nowadays. Some sort of story we have to construct, we can construct. So give him some job, give him a job of selling fan, so that he will stop begging and there will be beggar, then will become rare. Some sort of story is there. What will be the conversion? Let us see now. J gives us 6, B gives us 9, my 3, Bobby, BB, two sounds, B comes there, Bobby, 2 times, so we get 9, Michael, M gives us 3, K gives us 7 and L gives us 5. Now see here it is CH, but that is actually not CH sound, it is K sound, Michael. So we will be that will be converted into 7. T sound will give us 1, sell, S sound 0, L sound 5. Though L is repeated only once, it is pronounced, so only 1, 5. Then fan, that is 8, 2, S again, so 0. Then beggar, B, G and R, so 9, 7 and 4. B again 9 and rare, R means R and R, that gives us 44. So This sentence takes us to 60 digits. Then again 2 sentences I will give you so that we get value of pi up to 100 decimal places completely. So fourth block of 20 digits, all band music video cheers John F. Jones of pub. Again, you can construct some sort of story around this sentence so that it becomes very easy to remember that sentence. Now see the conversion. Conversion will be, now A can be used freely, there is only one sound, L sound is there. So 5, band takes us to 92, music, M gives us 3, S gives us 0 and K sound is there, so that will give us 7. Video, 2 sounds V and D, so that gives us 8, 1. Cheers, CH sound gives us 6 and R gives us 4, S gives us 0. John, J and N sound are there, so 6, 2. F gives us 8. Jones, J and S, 6, 2, 0. F sound of 8. Pub, that gives us 9, 9. So these are from 61 to 80 decimal places for the value of pi. And the last sentence will take us to 100 decimal places. The last sentence is like this: fish no fuse, Marvin will marinate the goose cheek. And to get the 100th decimal, we add this by. Fish no fuse. We are not so excited about fish. We can have goose cheek in our today's meal. So Marvin will marinate the goose cheek, and no, not fish. Fish is not there. This is the sentence which takes us to the last 20 digits. Let us transform these sentences to digits. Fish gives us 8, 6. Fuse 8, 0. Sorry, this no is there. Fish no fuse. Then Marvin 8, 2. Marvin will, only one sound, that is 5, L sound. Marinate, M-R means 3, 4, net gives us 2, 1. T, D sound actually it is, so that gives us 1. Goose cheek, G gives us 7, S gives us 0, CH sound gives us 6, K gives us 7, and by B sound is there. The last 100 decimal digit is 9. So these are completely 100 digits of pi. Friends, you master this code known as phonetic code, then you can easily remember big numbers. You can remember value of pi up to 100 digits. Even you can go beyond that. You get the digits, what are the next 100 digits say, convert them into your choice of text and remember them, so you can go beyond 100 digits also. So I hope you have enjoyed this series of 3 lectures on pi, and be with us. I will come with different amusing things in mathematics in this mathematics bouquet. So keep watching. Thank you very much. Bye.